cheap, edible, harmless, biodegradable. These are all properties of baking soda that make us use it more and more in life, in cooking, cleaning the household, but also in the yard, and in growing and maintaining the garden. If you are committed to organic farming, then information on the use of baking soda in the garden can be useful for you because this tool prevents the development of pathogens and parasites that attack plants. The main advantage of baking soda is its availability. You can get it at any supermarket. In addition, it does not contain chemicals, so it can be used by eco and organic gardeners. In this video, we will share with you great ideas on how to use baking soda wisely in your garden, as well as recipes for making baking soda-based preparations. Stay with us and find out all the benefits of this powder. Baking soda can be used to remove parasites and insects to save your garden from various pests. Without the use of harmful pesticides, is your best ally baking soda. There are several variations of this recipe. You can use some additives or just baking soda. For the basic recipe, you need half a liter of water and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda can also help you with fungus and mold on your plants. Known for its fungicidal properties, baking soda will help you fight mold. It is enough to spray the area affected by fungi and mold with water with the addition of baking soda. And spraying with such a solution is recommended every 7 days, especially after rain, because moisture favors the development of fungal diseases. If you are a proponent of baking soda, it will help you grow healthier and tastier vegetables. For example, tomatoes. If the ground is lightly sprinkled with baking soda, the tomatoes will grow in less acidic soil, and the fruits will be juicier and sweeter. If you want lush flowers, baking soda can also help. When watering flowers, add a little baking soda to the water. You will notice that your flowers will become brighter and healthier, and therefore more lush. Be sure to follow our channel for more similar advice, and grow lots of healthy plants with us. If you find this advice useful, try it, leave a like, and share it with your friends on social networks. Thanks.